These air conditioners are made in America for the EverRest Group by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. The units are backed by an industry-leading warranty that includes total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as earth-friendly as R32. The ASX-H5 models are basic units with a 15 SEER efficiency rating, scroll compressors, and a compressor blanket for quieter operation. They have Comfort Alert onboard diagnostics and a louvered steel coil guard to protect the condenser coil from damage due to debris thrown by a lawnmower or from hail. The ASX-C7 is a premium unit with the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's heating and cooling systems. The unit also has a 2-speed condenser fan for added energy savings and quieter operation. The ASX-V9 model is their entry into the ultimate category, and it has an efficiency rating up to 22.5 SEER as well as an ECM fan motor for years of reliable service. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.